For only 90,000 pesos, meron ka ng 2025 Montero Sport GLS Automatic. By the way, I'm Hazel Silviejo from Pit Motors, Jose Abad Santos. Montero GLS 2025 with new look design. Front grille with illumination light to enhance vehicle visibility tuwing gabi. With new 18-inch alloy wheels design. At sa interior naman niya ay naka-leather seat na. At syempre sa driver's seat, naka 8-way power adjustable na. Hindi na siya manual adjustment. Naka new 3-spoke leather wrap design na rin siya at sporty look na rin. Meron na rin camera 360, electronic parking brake at paddle shifter. At bukod pa doon, worth 30,000 freebie ang pinamimigay namin. For more details, ask me for more. At huwag niyo pong kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel at follow niyo na rin po ang aking TikTok account.